So you're planning to watch movies online, right? For free? This is the tutorial how to do it. So simple, go to Google first and type 123 movies. 123 movies is one of the best free domains for watching online movies. And as soon as you search 123 movies, just make sure to click on the correct link. So this can get mixed up quite a lot. So you'll see something like 123movies.net, basically something that starts with 123 movies, yeah. And click on the link and it will take you to a search bar over here, 123 movies, and you can try something like Avengers, let's say. And here, what are the odds? And here you'll see all the movies that have the keyword Avengers in it. Now in the top right section of each movie, you'll find an icon which will say HD. Now this is the status of the movie, or rather the quality. So if it says HD, obviously it's an HD, and some will have SD, which is standard definition, and some will say CAM, that means somebody has recorded that from the cinema. Alright, so let's say we want to watch Avengers Endgame. Let's click on that and simply click this button. And voila, you can even turn on dark mode for the website and we'll open up this, really cinematic mode. Obviously you can go full screen as well, but it's going to take a few more minutes to load. And here I'm watching Avengers Endgame. I can even go full screen and voila. So that's all you need to know, guys. Just search the correct name on Google and just click on the correct link. You can go trial and error also. If you just don't find like a reliable website in the first try, just go to the second one. You can search whichever movie you want to watch, and in my experience it has always had all the movies that I wanted to watch. So all the famous, all the, I think it's the biggest database of all the movies, so you should find the one that you're watching for pretty easily. And just in case if this website is blocked in your region, you can always use a VPN. So for browser, I recommend Setup VPN. So it's completely free. You can connect to different countries, and where this website is not blocked, you can use that to access the website. And also I'll leave a link to this website in the description, so just in case people can use it directly, if it works, hopefully, because it's keep changing quite rapidly, so I cannot guarantee if it will work, but I'll still just leave it just in case so you can use it. Cool, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope it helps. And in case you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And like and subscribe to stay connected, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.